It's time for another apple recipe. This time I'm making apple rice, or better called curried apple rice. Let's give it a try. This recipe came from the All-American Apple Cookbook. Look, there's a little hole. And when you turn it around, whoa, the worm was eating it. In a pot, I need a cup of rice, a cup of apple cider, not vinegar, apple cider, and a cup of water. Bring this to a boil and stir occasionally. Once boiling, reduce the heat, then we're gonna cover it with a lid and then let it cook for 15 minutes. I need to melt a 1/4 cup of butter in a skillet. I need a 1/4 cup of minced onion and a 1/4 cup of celery. Cook that until tender. I've cut up an apple and I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of curry powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and a 1/4 cup of golden raisins. And we're gonna cook this up until the apples are nice and tender. I promised my mother I would try this little trick. She said, take a slice of apple and wrap it in a mild cheddar cheese. She said, close your eyes and take a bite, and you'll swear that you're eating a caramel apple. Do I believe her? Let's find out. I'm imagining, but it's not working for me. I don't have her taste buds, I guess. Thanks, Mom. Okay, it's cooked for 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna just fluff them up a bit and then cover it and let it steam for 8 to 10 minutes. Time to add in those apples and mix that together. And you get apple rice. I love the flavor of that rice that's been cooked in apple cider, very fun. I love the fruitiness that pops out and very fun seasonings. It's a really good autumn dish, I'd say. Apple rice, I'll give it a 7.8 out of 10. I just ate a frozen apple. It was hardcore.